Step aboard the first-class cabin of the world's largest passenger aircraft, the majestic Airbus A380. From onboard showers and exclusive lounges to private suites that rival five-star hotels, this global journey redefines the art of travel. Welcome to a world where opulence meets altitude. The wings of the Airbus A380 Golden Luxury Edition extend like the arms of a giant, their immense span finished in shimmering gold. Every surface glows under the sun's gaze, transforming the aircraft into a sculpture of airborne prestige. This isn't just flight. This is flight reimagined. As we draw nearer, the scale of this flying palace becomes strikingly clear. Beneath each monumental wing, two powerful Rolls-Royce Trent 900 or Engine Alliance GP7000 engines gleam like polished gems. Their mirror-like finish catches every flicker of airport light, a silent promise of raw thrust and quiet confidence. The reinforced landing gear, engineered to support one of the heaviest aircraft ever built, stands with commanding strength. Every bolt and hydraulic joint speaks of aerospace mastery. The golden fuselage isn't just painted, it's crafted. Each rivet, each curve, an expression of both form and function elevated to art. Step inside, and opulence unfolds. The golden theme continues, but subtly, gracefully. First-class suites resemble private hotel rooms in the sky, with fully reclining leather seats trimmed in gold accents. Rich textures surround you. Brushed metal, dark wood, ambient mood lighting, and every suite is fitted with a 4K display, advanced noise cancellation, and total privacy. Further back, business class offers its own version of luxury. Lie-flat premium leather seats with gold-accented armrests welcome travelers into a world of elegance and ease. Spacious layouts, gourmet dining, and tailored service make every journey feel like a curated experience. Even economy class on this Golden Edition isn't an afterthought. It's a refined experience. Wider seats, generous legroom, and a high-end cabin atmosphere make this section superior to most premium cabins on conventional aircraft. Now we approach the command center, the cockpit. Inside, the A380's flight deck stuns with its modernity and elegance. High-resolution digital displays cover the panel, streaming real-time data, diagnostics, and navigation. Side-stick controls, advanced autopilot systems, and precision-engineered throttle. Levers respond seamlessly to every pilot movement. The pilot seats themselves are upholstered in fine leather with gold-stitched accents, offering ergonomic luxury and authority. Expansive panoramic windows open to an endless sky, while dynamic ambient lighting adjusts automatically to flight conditions, ensuring peak visibility, comfort, and performance. Then comes the moment of motion. As the aircraft taxis to the runway, the golden fuselage glimmers beneath the lights. A hush falls. The engines roar to life. In seconds, the A380 surges forward. Wheels lift, and the giant gracefully ascends. The golden body reflects the fiery hues of the setting sun, painting the sky with brilliance. Now airborne, the aircraft becomes poetry, in motion. At cruising altitude, it glides with effortless grace, more yacht than jet, more palace than plane. From the ground, it's a symbol. From within, it's an experience, unmatched, unforgettable, and entirely without rival. This isn't just a mode of transport. It's a declaration of ambition, of excellence, of luxury, taken to its highest altitude.